start with my rice. Very simple. I do rinse all my rice, whether it's instant or not. I have 1 cup of instant rice. I rinsed it so it is a bit sticky and sticking together, which is okay. It's just going to cook up a lot faster. And that's the point to instant rice. For instant rice, it's equal amounts liquid to rice. I'm adding 1 cup of water. If you want to make more, just double everything. Adding 1/2 of a teaspoon of shrimp bouillon. You could smash it or shred it, but 1 shredded clove of garlic. I have about 3 Thai chilies, diced, zest of a lime, fresh lime juice, just a bit of salt and pepper. Turn my heat on. Mix this all up. Bring this to a boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then turn your heat off or put it on simmer and cover it, and you're good to go because it's instant rice. Tossing my striped bass in the pan. Squeeze some lemon right over it. Adding some sliced shallots, whole Thai chili, fresh garlic, sea salt, pepper, butter, fresh cilantro, some sliced lemon, I'm going to cover this on a medium-high heat just for a few minutes before I flip my fish and toss and turn them. Time to flip my bass over. When you flip your bass over, your skin may or may not just come off. If it does, that's a good thing. Less work for you to do when you're eating it. Lightly salt and pepper this side. Adding just a bit more butter. I like to top it off with just a little bit of pepper because it just gives that little kick to it. And take your warmed lemons and just set them on top of your bass. Set my top back on. Let this cook until your bass is fully cooked, which will not take long at all. If you're looking for a delicious fish dinner, try this striped bass. Simple rice, and you're gonna love it. Try this out, and I'll see you in my next video.